So we've done videos in the past about 3D prints for home or for your office, but today we're going over the 3 best 3D prints to help you survive the grocery store war zone. If you refer to this as a shopping trolley, you've probably also thought, man, I wish this was more American, because like all great American inventions, it comes with a cup holder. Normally, when you get your drinks for a shopping trip, you have to use the child basket where your drink will definitely tip over. This 3D printed cup holder is much more secure. The tip it does have can easily be fixed by narrowing the gap of the inner ring, or by expanding the outer ring, or by moving the rectangular hook closer to the outer cylinder wall. The distance I have between the hook and body of the cup holder is 25 millimeters, or 1 full bald eagle, for the Americans out there. A metal shopping cart won't need nearly this much space, but in my area, all of the local stores have these extra thick carts. But this version 1 prototype still does the job of keeping me hydrated as I shop for the essentials, or as I wander through a desolate wasteland. Assuming you're not watching this in 2020, chances are that you've managed to find something actually on a store shelf, and it's time to bring it home. To keep any double-stacked bags from tipping over, there is this one Thingiverse file I saw that holds bag handles to the seatbelt. Cool idea, but I ended up designing my own, and you can download this or the cup holder at 3dpc.xyz. Option number 2, for something like eggs, bread, bananas, is to hang it from the headrest. You can also use empty bags here for collecting garbage this way too. Once you're home, you realize that you may have to take more than one trip from the garage. If you are a loser, your mama didn't raise no wimp, so print off a carrying handle to let you lift more in each hand. It's all about those grains, bro. All of these were printed in PETG instead of PLA. PETG can be printed on heated tape, unlike ABS. The blue and green I used were both from Inland, and the green has been a favorite of mine for years. PETG holds up much better to heat, which matters a lot in Texas. I've left PLA in a car once, and well, let's just say I'm not going to make that mistake again. But as far as PETG is concerned, it holds up very well for heat. If things get desperate enough in the great toilet paper shortage of 2020, well, I guess you could order one of my shirts off of Amazon, though if that's what you're going to use it for, please don't tell me in the comments. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.